Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import footage in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, launch DaVinci Resolve and open an existing project or create a new one. Then you can import files in either in Media or Edit tab. Then here click the Edit tab for simplicity. Then open on the top left panel. Browse your computer to find your footage and simply drag your video clips from the browser into the media pool, and you can drag files directly from your desktop or folder into the media pool. And go to File and click Import and click the media, then choose your footage and click Open. And this is your first clip. Resolve will ask you if you want to match the timeline frame rate and click change if you want to match it to the clip settings. And that's how you import footage in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.